I come from a rough neighborhood, and it's a lot of gangs and drugs and a lot of violence going on. I was at a point to where I didn't have a job, and I had a friend who worked for the Goodwill. I'm saying, she was like, we take in donations, and I was like, there's a place that like help people when they like, have no place to go. And she was like, no, she was like, that's not us. She was like, no, we take in donations and we sell them, for a nonprofit organization. And I was like, okay, so I came in, did the application, and at that point in my life, I was stressed out. I had lost a lot of weight because I didn't have a job, and then the environment I was living in. So, I came in and I did the application, and like a couple of days went by, and they called me and they told me to come in what day I needed to come in. And I went in, and I've been doing good so far with the company. Everybody's good if they work with me, and I love it. In the 12th grade, I quit school and to raise my kids. So now the opportunity came for me to go to the Excel Center. So I jumped at that opportunity, and I'm really excited that I'm going to get my high school diploma because all my kids graduated. I made sure all my kids graduated so that now it's my turn, and they are excited for me. I'm going to get my high school diploma, and I plan on going back to school. A donation comes, they take the donation, the clothing goes to the grader and, look at them, see if they're nice enough to be sold. The sales associate then takes the clothing and bring it out and puts it on the rack for the customers to shop. And so nothing goes to landfill. Yes, I'm very thankful for Goodwill because they changed my life. Because I was headed in a place where I didn't want to be to depression, and Goodwill kind of changed my life, and I'm thankful for that.